Here we are doing the experiment. Pressure measurement device is a measurement device used for the YouTube manometer. Okay. First of all, we are priming of the centrifugal motor, and then we are start the main switch. And when we start the main switch, we are adjust the flow rate. And when I adjust the flow rate, the manometer, we are create the two difference between the mercury, that is the YouTube manometer, open this valve, and we create the pressure difference, and that is the height taken of the height. And we are also clear the pressure here direct to measure by the using the pressure gauge. Okay, we are do not just taken of the H and put the value of the equation. P is equal to rho gh, and where the value is both the pressure will be set. Stop for the first of all, open the both valve, ball valve, and then upon the pressure difference, measurement of the two pressure create the based on the difference of the height, and that the height will be different taken of the height, and that height used for the formula in the delta P calculate. Delta P is equal to rho gh, and here the rho is the value of the mercury is a 13600 kg per centimeter kg per meter square, and here the height is taken in centimeter, convert into meter form. Okay, and then put on equation. The gravitational force is taken is a 9.8 value. This direct value will put the value of the equation, and then find the value of the calculate of the pressure difference by using the manometer. And that pressure is also checked by the use for the measure of the pressure gauge, and but pressure gauge measurement is direct divided and use the gauge pressure, and gauge pressure convert into absolute pressure by using the formula. The gauge pressure is equal to gauge pressure is addition the atmospheric pressure and then meeting the absolute pressure. So we finally check the absolute pressure of here and absolute pressure of here, both are equal or not, and that we will do the complete practice.